Hey friends, today, we've got something exciting to share with you. Whether you're a professional looking for the perfect addition to your tool arsenal or a DIYer seeking precision, you're in for a treat. I'm talking about the Bosch GWG-12V20SN, a 12V Max brushless cordless 1/4 inch right angle die grinder. This isn't just any grinder. This is a tool that can elevate your work to the next level. Let's dive right into what makes this grinder stand out. First off, it's powered by a 12V Max brushless motor. What does that mean for you? Power and efficiency. You get longer runtime, better performance, and less wear and tear on the motor. Whether you're working on metal, plastic, or wood, this grinder is up for the task. And check out the design. This right angle die grinder is all about getting into those tight, hard-to-reach spaces with ease. The compact and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, reducing fatigue during those long jobs. But it's not just about comfort. Bosch has packed in some serious durability here. The GWG-12V20SN features an extended motor life thanks to its brushless technology, meaning this tool is built to last. Plus, it's cordless, no more being tethered to an outlet. You get the freedom to move around your workspace without any restrictions. Now, let's talk about versatility. This grinder comes with a 1/4 inch collet, making it compatible with a wide range of accessories. Whether you're cutting, grinding, polishing, or sanding, this tool has got you covered. And with variable speed control, you can adjust the power to suit the material you're working on, ensuring precision every time. Metal fabrication, woodworking, automotive projects, whatever your needs, the Bosch GWG-12V20SN delivers consistent, reliable performance. The compact size and right angle design make it a game changer for getting into those nooks and crannies that other tools just can't reach. So, if you're looking for a tool that combines power, precision, and portability, the Bosch GWG-12V20SN 12V Max brushless cordless right angle die grinder should be at the top of your list. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for your workshop. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Click the link in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews and tips.